Hi, I'm Barbara from AllBrands.com, and today we are going to be looking at the Juki MO1000 air threading serger. First, we're going to get started with threading the unit, and you'll see how easy it is to thread. Okay, so currently our machine is threaded with all black thread, and you can see our serge stitch here it's kind of hard to see which thread is doing which part of the stitch. So when you're first getting started, I recommend using a different color on each one. So we're going to get started. Okay, so first I'm putting all different colors on the serger here. So we will go up to the top and drape each one from the back to the front. So when you get started, make sure that all of your tension dials are set at 4, and then we'll take the first one, lay in tension, and then go down through here, and about a 1-inch tail into the air threading mechanism. We will do our other looper. Put the tail into the air threading mechanism. So because this is air threaded, there is no way to incorrectly thread your loopers because the machine does it all for you. So we will click this up, turn the hand wheel 1 full rotation until it clicks, and then we will press the air button. Like magic. Alright, so now we have the loopers threaded, we're just going to thread the needles. Come through here. The top, lay in tension. Follow the green square. And then there's a pigtail right here. Now on this machine there is a needle threader, and it has 2 needles in it. So there's a little lever here that's white that you can either push up or pull down to go to the right or the left needle. Okay. So I'm going to make sure I am in the upward needle position. And it pulls the thread through the eye of the needle for you. And then we'll do our second needle. And there's a little mechanism here that you go through, and then a secondary little pigtail that you wrap around. Okay. And then you'll move this lever up to go to the left needle. And then now we have that other needle threaded. It's that easy. And then next what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that all of our threads are pulled to the back and 45-degree angle to your left hand side when you are on the machine. So these looper threads, you always want to make sure that your lower looper, which is this one here, this is your upper looper, is draped over the upper looper, under the foot, 45-degree angle to your left hand side. So now that I have all of my threads pulled under the feet, the lower looper thread wrapped over the upper looper, 45-degree angle to the back, I can get a scrap piece of fabric. Okay, so now we're going to go through the settings on the machine. So you have your presser foot pressure adjustment. So that's the amount of weight that your presser foot is putting on the material. When you're getting started, get that on the M setting. And now here we have the cutting width adjustment. So when you're getting started, put that on 3.5. And right here is your stitch finger adjustment. Push that all the way forward. Now this lever here is a mechanism that you can use to lower or raise the cutting mechanism, the blade. So lower and raise. And that just makes it a lot easier to thread the machine. You want to be on all fours here. And then you have your length here. So you'll see that there is a solid line on the machine and on the dial. Just make sure that those are lined up together. And that your differential feed here is set on N. Okay. So there's some safety mechanisms to the machine. If this side mechanism is open and you press the foot control, like I'm doing now, you will see that the machine does not sew. That is a safety mechanism. Also, if this door is open, the machine will not sew. So you will need to close your door here. And then also, if the foot is up in the up position, it will not sew. But if we put the foot in the down position, we are serging. Now, and you will see we have a perfect stitch here. And now that we can see all of the different colors, we can make adjustments. So I can see that my purple is my looper. It's my lower looper here. So it looks like maybe I might tweak this one up just a little bit because it's hanging off the edge just ever so slightly. And then I might loosen the upper looper. So that's like an adjustment that you can make depending on the thread and material that you're using in combination with each other. So let's try again. And a beautiful stitch. Another feature that I really love about this machine is that it curves on a dime, and Juki is really well known for that. So if you have like a curved edge that you're wanting, like maybe a circle or an armhole, you can curve very easily. Look at that curve. That is some gorgeous curves. If this video was helpful for you today, please click the thumbs up at the bottom and subscribe to our channel, AllBrands.com. You can visit us on the web at www.allbrands.com, and we sell all of the models of Juki Serger machines.